What's up, guys? Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to create an LLC in the state of Florida to be a very fast and easy process. We're going to be doing it with Tailor Brands. I've done all my LLCs and I've always recommended to any friends and family members who are starting up something. I'm also going to show you how to do your EIN with them. An EIN is your employer identification number. This is issued to you by the IRS and is basically your business's social security number. With it, you're able to open up business credit cards, hire employees under your business, and you can also need it to pay tax. So if you're interested, hit the link down in the description and follow along with me as I show you step by step how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, once you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to this website here on Tailor Brands. And first step is we're going to have to pick our state in which we're doing our LLC. It's going to be Florida. Let's move on. So here it's asking the name in which we're going to do our LLC. So let's put our business name and the name I provided was available, which is awesome. Next. Tailor Brands is going to be asking us a few questions regarding our business. Just answer them to the best of your ability. It does not affect the outcome of your LLC. So just pick what applies to you. So here they're asking what state are we're like, what's our current, what stage are we in our business? Are we already in business or just an idea? So let's just put already in business. Next, they're asking what industry is our business in. I do Amazon. So let me just type in Amazon. There it is. I'm surprised because a lot of places don't have Amazon. So Amazon, what do we sell? What do we offer? I offer physical goods. If you offer service, you could click that. If you do both, you could select both. If you have something more unique, you can add that on the bottom right here. Click next. You're saying on this slide, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? I'm gonna put not sure for me. If you are, put yes. If you know you're gonna be solo, just put no. Next, they're asking, have you set any annual income goals for your business? Is it less than 80,000, more than 80,000, or I don't know yet? I'm gonna put I don't know. Here you can add your business or home postal code, or I'm just gonna put online. You don't have to really add that in. If you're a brick and mortar, you click select this, or if you're on the go, you can click this one. Okay, here on this slide, they're asking us, what are we planning to do for our business? Of course, we're trying to get our LLC, but as you can see, they offer a wide variety of different things, such as insurance, a website, you need licenses or permits, a trademark, a domain, a bunch of stuff. Also here is you see the EIN, which I recommended you a little earlier. So let's just have our LLC selected and move on. This is just a checklist, just, to make sure if you have everything for your business. We're just trying to get our LLC. Let's move on. Next, they are saying how did you discover them. If you're watching this video, just click YouTube. Here they do offer you a 12-week coaching program. Take advantage of it. If you're new to a business, you could learn something out of it. But for right now, no. Okay, here we're going to be creating an account with Tailor Brands. This is so they can, notify us the process of the LLC. So let's fill this out real quick. Okay, once we're done making an account, this next page is talking about the EIN. You could get the EIN on your own. You're gonna have to go through the IRS website and apply for it. I tried doing it myself. I got denied. It's complicated. So I went to Tailor Brand and I did it with them. I did not have an issue. So I recommend doing it with them. They do charge you $99 to do it. I say it's worth it. But if you want to try to give it a shot yourself, you can go for it. I'll just leave that. I'll put that as handle it myself and move on. Here they're just like just letting you know that without it you cannot open up a business bank account. So the heads up. Next slide is to assign your registered agent as required in Florida. So what is a registered agent? registered agent is someone who's going to be receiving all the paperwork and documents regarding your LLC from the state or government. So you can assign yourself as your registered agent for your LLC. So you just supply them your address and your name, and then they'll just send all the paperwork for the address, which be you, and then that's it. For example, your annual renewal, they'll send it to the mail to the agent, which is you, and then you're just, if you're not in the state in which you're doing the LLC, Tailor Brand does provide you that service in which they would take care of it and relay all the information to you. So for right now, let's say you are in the state, and I'll just put a different registered agent, and it's gonna be yourself. So next is keep your good standing status in Florida with annual compliance. This is thing you have to do annual renewal. If you want, Tailor Brands could be on top of that for you so you don't forget, or you can handle the compliance yourself. If you are the registered agent, you just get a notice in the mail, and yeah, it's very easy. Get a notice in the mail letting you know you have to renew, and they show you exactly how to do. Here is something they offer you to get a domain, create logos. What we saw earlier, but we don't need that. We just want our LLC. They do offer you expedited filing time, which is nice, but they do charge you $49. If you have the money to do it, go for it. If you can wait 14 days to do it and no extra charge, just do the 14 days. So this is talking about LLC rules and operating agreement. So what that is who's going to be in the LLC, who's in what position of the LLC, how does money get distributed within the LLC, and stuff like that. So I'll just say you can figure that yourself out. I don't think it's worth $30 to do it, so don't worry about that. Here is a binder that they provide you, has a hard copy of all legal documents and tax paperwork. It makes everything look nice and pretty for you, but we don't need this look right now. We're just trying to get our LLC. This is to let you know if you want to get notified on the process of your LLC. So let's do that. So here are the 3 tiers in which they provide you if you want to do. So in the light, you're just getting your LLC done. They offer you invoicing and bookkeeping as a 30-day free trial, and you get that 12-week coaching program. Here down below, you'll see you'll have to pay a state filing fee of $130. There's no way around this fee. Even if you're trying to do your LLC through the state itself, you'll still have to pay the state filing fee. So if you just want your LLC, you just go with the light. But if you're looking for something a little bit extra, you go with the essential. For $199 a year with a $30 gift card from Amazon, you can get your LLC done. You get legal compliance, which is the annual renewal. You get 2-day expedited processing and the invoice and bookkeeping alongside the business coaching program. And then in the elite, everything the essential plus a domain and website. If you're interested in this stuff, you can scroll down here and it breaks it down even more what you're getting, like business card tools, 8 free logos, 1 year for free domain. So right now we're just going to go for our LLC and just select light. Now this is the last page. This is going over everything we have right now. So we select the light. We're having to pay $130 for the state filing fee. As we go down, if you want to do the expedited filing, here you can check that off right here. If not, take that off. Here is the invoicing and bookkeeping is checked on right here. You get a 30-day free trial. After that, they will charge you. So if you are interested, just remember to cancel it. If not, I'll leave it unchecked. Next is the EIN. This is what I recommend you guys do. It is $99. So let's say you have it checked. Due today right now, you have to pay the $130, As you see, like the $99 isn't reflected on this price, just because once your LLC is done being processed, they would then do the service of the EIN for you and charge you for that. So you click pay. After you pay, it'll take you to a few more pages where you have to add more personal information regarding your business and yourself. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to get your LLC processed. If you follow along, it will take you around 10 minutes to do it. So if this video helped you out, leave a like. Any questions, comment down below, and subscribe. Refer this video to any friends or family who are trying to start something up. All right, guys. Peace out.